Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna jump right into today's video. I'm gonna be detoxing my hair with this Indian clay mask. This is my second time using this, and I don't think the first time I've ever used the oil, but I'm using jojoba oil today. And I'm just gonna tell y'all the benefits of the mask really quick while I show y'all me mixing the ingredients. So the Aztec clay mask detox and cleanses your hair. It reduces frizz, and it also encourage curl definition, as y'all are gonna see. The crystals popping, and it actually moisturizes your hair too. My hair was really soft once I rinsed it out, but I did still deep condition afterwards. Okay, y'all, so I almost forgot to say the benefits of the jojoba oil. It soothes your scalp, it helps control dandruff, and it's really good for low porosity hair because it's lightweight and it can penetrate the hair shaft easier and moisturize your hair. I also want to mention, but y'all can clearly see this, I don't use any measurements. I just eyeball it. You don't want it to be thick and you don't want it to be just runny. So, get it to in between consistency. You can also use, I think you can use it with water, or like you could do half water, half apple cider vinegar or something like that. You just gotta do what works for you. If the apple cider vinegar is a little strong for you, you can dilute it with water. But yeah, I didn't use any measurements. I just eyeballed it. And I did have to make 2 batches of this for my entire head. Okay, also this is my hair after taking out my knotless braids. I didn't do anything to it. I did hop in the shower before I started applying the mask just to get my hair wet. You do not have to shampoo your hair at all because, like I said, this is a cleansing hair mask. So I just got my hair wet. But y'all go see me using my spray bottle because my hair still did get a little dry and I wanted it to be wet applying this mask. So I think I've seen somebody say they applied it on dry hair, but most people I saw them using wet hair. So I would recommend getting your hair a little damp before just throwing this mask on dry hair. So y'all, this is pretty much repetitive at this point. You just spray your hair with some water, apply the mask, and I'm not gonna drag it out. So I'm gonna let y'all watch for a little second, and then I'll come back and show y'all what the curl definition was looking like once I rinsed the mask out. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair after I rinsed the mask out. I did go in deep condition after this with my Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner. But if you guys like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure that y'all subscribe and hit the bell to turn y'all notifications.